Unlock precise focus adjustments for your Canon EOS R10 video by mastering its intuitive touchscreen zoom controls. First, ensure your camera is in live view mode for video recording. This is crucial, as the touchscreen zoom functionality is active only here. Next, we need to confirm that the digital zoom feature is enabled. Navigate through your camera's menu settings to find and activate digital zoom. Remember, this method utilizes digital zoom, which crops the image, rather than optical zoom, which physically extends the lens. Your attached lens must also support this feature. Once in live view with a compatible lens and digital zoom enabled, you'll see a magnifying glass icon appear on your screen. Tapping this icon will instantly zoom in on your subject. Conversely, to zoom back out, you can simply perform a pinch-out gesture on the touchscreen, just like you would on a smartphone. For more granular control and to zoom further in, perform a pinch and gesture experiment with both single taps and pinch gestures to find what works best for your filming needs. This touchscreen zoom is an invaluable tool for quickly checking focus on small details or distant subjects during your video recordings, saving you time and effort. Mastering this quick visual magnification will significantly enhance your video workflow with the Canon EOS R10.